back. Oh my god, that was scary. That scared me. Whew. That scared me. All right, we're back. Okay, that was a break even. Thank God I moved to break even. I'd have been screwed. So the next area is gonna be this right here. If we're gonna take a long down here. My short was correct. I was short up here, right? Yeah, I could have rode this down more, but it's all good. It's all good. This is where all the cells were, and they followed through. So in this area right here will be the next area where I take it long. So I want to wait for this to get tapped into. And realistically, you're gonna want to wait here. This is where. Oop. There. We're green. We're safe. Okay. And we got aggressive selling here. This is the area I called, so we'll see if that closes back above right here. We can do above by oop. You know what? I'm gonna call it good on that account. I'm already up 1,000 on that account. Parent account 445. Go there. Really speed. That'd be like a 2-to-1 right there, and then possibly we can go up higher to right above there. I'm just gonna come off this fire high. I think this is gonna be a good trade right here. I think it's gonna be a very good trade. If not, it's gonna hit stop loss pretty quickly. And you have this last area right here where this is like the sniper entry. We have a lot of aggressive buying in this area. Once we get above here, we can start to move our stops. So you're just gonna want to see some closure above these aggressive buys. If these fail, then they're just gonna stop me out pretty quickly here. And I could have waited till this green area at the very lowest. If you wanted the absolute best entry, this is where the most aggressive buying would take. This would be your sniper entry, I guess you would say. you're seeing a lot of wicks from these areas, so it's either gonna rip down and stop start, or it's gonna burst above. You're getting failure right here, which is not good. We need to see the close above here. Once we get the close above these areas where buyers are stepping in, I think this will be a very strong buy opportunity. Okay, we're starting to get some back into the positive range. Once we close above this, this could. The only thing is you're getting a bunch of negative sell delta, but prices continue to move up. So it's either absorption happening or it's most likely going to come down to here. If it closes back above here, I can move my stop underneath here. Lessen my risk. If it does. If not, I'll hit the stop here and then it'll be all right. Part of the game. Yep, there it is. I hit the stop there. Down 450 and 450. Okay. This will be the last area where buyers will take control. If it'll break back above here, we'll be solid.
But Daddy, I want to
Yep.
show you my new clock.
Show me, baby. Yep.
I got some new shorts.
Did you? Jeez, you guys all got new stuff, huh? A bunch of new stuff, man. Go there. Go back all the way to here.
This is Lamborghini. Wait, okay.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. Shooty. Shooter. Damn, that's a big wick. And then I might get stopped out again. That was crazy. We went up, wicked out. If it breaks past this aggressive selling, we're in trouble. Yeah, most likely it's gonna do that. If not, we're gonna close back above, and then we'll finally go higher. Yeah.
Look at our new rug.
Huh?
Our new rug.
I know. I felt it this morning. It was nice. Yeah. I'm gonna put one buy limit order here, just as a impulse buy. What I'm gonna do here.
Yes. Is he in there? Yeah, he is.
But if not, sells are. This will be my last trade in this count. Yeah, it's gonna stop me out. Yeah, I'm done on those counts. Call it down those. Basically break even for the day. Oh shit.
He said it was too cold, so I put more warm water.
There you go. Original short was correct. Bummer. This may take off. This is where buying was active, and we're retesting. So.
What I got some Nike shorts.
Oh, nice, bro.
I got these Under Armour shorts, and I got these for practice.
I like those. Got a lot of cool stuff, huh? There's a 15-minute range. We're still stuck inside the 15-minute range. This is the final area I'll take a long from. After this, my longs are done. Damn. Oh, wow. Beauty. We'll go right up to here. Not too bad. Not too bad. I think I got a charger. We either failed here or we're just going to push high. I have a feeling we're going to push high, but who knows? Hear me then?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, my internet went out at one point.
Oh, I did.
Yeah. It was
Okay, I was wondering why he disappeared.
Yeah, I was in a position too. I was like, but I already had to move to break even, thank God. I'm gonna long here. I'm hoping this pushes up. That was
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
we can move this to so it's down to here. Damn. We had a strong push up, but then a resistance, so we're stuck in the 15-minute range. Haven't moved above it. So I think we're gonna close. I think we're honestly gonna go test higher up before we test lower, but the only reason, unless this area that I went long off of was where the area where the most amount of delta buying was overnight. So
yeah, it is.
So this is the key buying area for buyers to protect. If they don't protect this, then we're gonna go lower, and it makes sense on the higher time frame charts.
Yeah.
But I saw the breakout. We broke above the highs, so that's telling me that the buyers wanted to take this higher. Especially there was no resistance. They went above like what, almost 40 points, 50 points. Yeah. Above that high, so. All right, aggressive sellers are getting beaten right now. That's a good sign. So. I just want to see this close. Come on. All right, I got $200 out of it. Bummer. I was up like.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
I was up like almost 40 points, $800. It just wicked away from that area where all the aggressive buying was there. And then it's going to go up. Bummer. That's weird. I'm going long one more time.
I try to push it up again.
Oh yeah, they're gonna. Yeah, this is the final time where I'm to have a small risk underneath here. $195 stop loss. If we can't break this level right here, it's 88. That's where all the aggressive buying is taking place and selling is absorbing.
Mhm.
We're in trouble. Oh, down to break even. I got out. I don't like that.
Yeah, we're back at the opening range, so
Yeah, I still think we're gonna push up, but I don't like how it's the wicks over here. It's just
yeah.
resisting that every time. We should get the clean break, and then we're not getting the clean break. If we break back up here, this would be a solid breakout. We could come down and retest 650 before we go up to that area. Yeah, we still haven't tested the bottom of the 15-minute range. We've been completely stuck inside the 15-minute range.
Yeah. Mhm.
The one thing is we're at the point of control of the 15-minute range, which is right here at 659. And CVD, though, if you look at the CVD, it's still negative. Absorption down there on the sellers. I'm going to take one more long here. One more stab at it. Yep, take one more long. Go up here. Go up to here at least. Here we go. Buyers, come on, building up. If we break this 688, it's going to explode up. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I knew that. I knew this was the area where buyers were that aggressive
Mhm.
sell that got absorbed at the bottom was a clear indication this was going back up.
Mhm.
I moved to break even at this point, about 430 unrealized. And then we have aggressive selling here. And I'm probably going to break even. Yep, I broke even. That was another failed.
Yeah.
Wicked back and the aggressive sells took back control. I thought we were gonna get some more aggressive buying up top. We got nothing. Now we got aggressive buying here. I think the buyers are still gonna take it up. This is just, I really do. I know they're failing here, but the sellers aren't having any success either. Now the seller's trying to have some success here, right here at the. They can't. If they fail to break below 674, then it'll go up. But if it breaks 674, we're gonna go all the way down and test 653. Oh wow. Never mind. That thing just went wicked right out of there. Yep, bro. Here goes buyers. Now I'm getting aggressive buying up here.
Yeah.
Now this might be the actual move because you're getting following through with aggressive buying. Or can you stop it? All right, now I'm in this trade. I knew this was gonna go up. I just finally took that. I'm gonna get out at 756. That's where the biggest sell delta was. We're at that up at that area, so that's where I will exit. Damn, this thing's just ripping, huh?
Yeah.
Guarantee myself 300. Hey, stop. Move, get down. Scratch my back. Ow. Yeah, this will be my final trade. If this hits, take profit. I'll be up $2,400 on this account for the day. So, my main account. If it does. Stop. Guarantee it's like a turn. It's a 560. I'm gonna guarantee myself 575 no matter what. So. Yes, Tay. Come on, love. Yeah, I got out 1,500. I still think it's gonna go higher, but I don't want to chance give away profit again. So I think we'll reject off these Bibles right here at 708 and then 702 and then go all the way back up to like 757, if not all the way up to 793. again.
You wanna go with?
We'll see if this works out. If we break back above 679, we're okay.
Oh, I look like Bluey.
Yeah, I can change it. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I think this long's gonna go up. We had absorption at the bottom. I'm gonna move to break even at this point. If we fail to break above this 678, then I'll break even.
Mhm.
But if we break above this 680, we're gonna go all the way back up to 727. If not, we're gonna push, I think, all the way back up to the top of the 15-minute range.
Daddy, I wanna dry off.
You wanna dry off? Okay.
Come here.
Here, let me see your hair. Want to stand on the rug? It's nice and warm. Place your feet will be warm. Want to stand on the rug and I'll change you right now.
I just always lay down.
You always what?
Lay down.
Always lay down?
Can you do fast like mommy did?
Yeah.
She would
Here, you want to stand right here on the rug so it's nice and soft and warm?
No, it's gonna be red.
Oh, good. All right, here. Let me put your boxers on.
I need to dry though.
Huh?
They're not even dry.
I know your hair. Which
I
one?
wanna dry them.
Try what? Try what? Which one?
My hair. You didn't do what?
Huh?
Do what?
Like that? There. Look at your hair. Better. Nice and dry. Yeah. It's getting dry here.
I need more of these things.
Which thing,
Like
baby?
the thing, brown thing and the black thing.
The brown thing and the black thing?
Yeah, and then it go in the air.
Oh, you use it? Like the dryer thing? Here.
Yeah, I need to use that.
You need to use it?
Yeah, I want to use it.
Here
Daddy,
you go. You can put this shirt on, baby.
No, hurry.
Hey, mommy. Oh.
Hurry, Dad, look.
Here.
I need it.
The dryer? He wants to use your dryer, Annie. I said he wants to use your dryer just to dry his hair. He wants to use your dryer to dry his hair.
Hi. Yeah. Yeah, I see it. He's just still asleep. Yeah. Your hair just goes straight up. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we broke that area. Now we're going down, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, I knew that we had a bit of a head and shoulders pattern there.
Yeah, we finally broke the value.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the short would have been right around
He
six
literally
ten.
went out and put his other sock on because he wanted to fill the rug.
You're gonna get all dirty. Come on. It's alright. We can fix it.
This is the point where right here at 600 is where the most aggressive selling took place overnight. It's better driving inside, Tay. That's not. Yeah, here we go. Damn. Breaking the 15-minute range finally. Now this is where the moves are going to happen. Oh.
What are you driving this?
Big aggressive sell.
Oh yeah.
Oh, bro, you're bad at that, bro. That thing's crazy. This may be a short right at the value or low for the 15-minute range, which is somewhere right around what 621.
Okay. Yeah.
I want to see what happens there. You can catch a short
Yeah.
from here, from the value or low on the 15-minute chart, all the way down to the value or low for the day, or the range, which would be somewhere right around 519. It would be basically a 100-point move. go on the road. It has to go on the concrete, baby, or the.
I'm gonna knock this man down, okay?
Oh, watch it. Oh. Okay, there you go. Damn. Now we're shooting up.
Yeah.
I want to watch that value area low. That's going to be where there could be a short right there if you get aggressive sells in that area. Because selling's kind of been relentless ever since
Oh yeah.
this
They
morning.
haven't given up. Yeah.
Haven't given up. Yeah. Just want to see what it's read. And the other thing is we came down to value area low from yesterday. It's where we rebounced right now at 551. So just take that in consideration. That's why there's some support there. We had to come down to the area of 516 because that's the value area low for this range that we had before market opened. And that's where I might possibly take a long if there's a good opportunity there. If it starts to, maybe I'll target the 11. Those ones? Those ones? Yeah, from the car. Got it. Are you coming back here? Okay. Cool. I was wondering. I just gotta take out one of the tires out of the truck. Yep. I'm back. Sorry.
I don't know. The sellers look in control.
Yeah, the CVD keeps going down. The last
Yeah.
possible area they protect before this really goes to the low of the day is this value area low at 517. If they can't protect that, they're absolutely
Yeah.
they're gonna go just flush this thing.
Yeah.
Which I'd be quite surprised for a Friday, but same time, not really. If you're gonna take the last long you possibly could take would be right around here at 517. That's if we get like some sort of aggressive buying down here.
Yeah.
Or because this is kind of a long way to go once they drop below here. They have to go like another fucking 100 something points just to break the low of the day. Which, I mean, it could happen. They are aggressively selling it with no support.
Jeez, yeah, just keeps going.
Yeah. I mean, look at the CVD. Looks just straight nasty. I should have went short here. That would have been a good short. But, oh well.
I had a short on the M&Q, but it was on Sim, so.
Ah, shit.
35 points.
Not bad. I'm going to try one little long here. It's going to be risky, but. Risking some profit for the day. 30.85 to make. Yeah, this is going to be where it's cheap enough for buyers to buy. So if they don't buy here, sellers are going to absolutely just destroy. I'm getting aggressive selling. Absorption, though. It's all absorption down here. A lot of wicks. I'm long here. I'm going to go off this value area low. And then my target's going to be all the way back up to the almost the 15-minute orb, the bottom of it. If it ends up climbing out the way. If not, it's okay. Getting more aggressive buying here now at the top. If we close back above 506, then we should see at least a move back up into this range. Wow. Right there. A lot of concentrated aggressive selling right here at the top at 510. The sellers are really trying to hold this value area low. And they might succeed because it's so whenever I see those concentrated orders all on the same target when they're hitting, those are they usually work pretty well. If we break back above this, then we'll be okay. 511 is the next area we have to break above, and then we should see another expansion above. Yep, and I got stopped out there. Oopsie. Oops.
Yeah, it's forming a price is compressing.
Yep. Oh, for sure. long there. Fuck, I didn't mean that. Okay. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna call it there. I took 2 losses back to back. That's it for me.